experience with what is your most memorable experience throughout this whole being an advisor of the organization of the foundation?
Okay, most memorable. Actually, everything is, they're all different kasi. They're all different kasi. So, especially with the lab virus, when we go around the regions, each region, I mean, they're all the same. They're all very thankful. Pero iba-iba yung reactions na parang, parehong lahat thankful, lahat natutuwa na, finally, they're napapansin and all. But, they're all memorable to me. It's actually something that, it's really something, I've never, yun nga sinasabi ko, I've been in corporate for more than 30 years. And I've never felt more fulfilled than this. It's really very fulfilling.
And since we're celebrating Women's Month po, how would you describe yourself as a mom and as a wife?
I'm a plain wife. I'm a plain woman. I'm just like any other woman. I'm nothing extraordinary, really. I was just given this platform, and I'm thankful I'm given this platform to be able to do what I'm really passionate about. And but otherwise, I'm just like any other girl. Nothing special, really.
As a mother po, are you the type na medyo strict or hindi naman?
Not at all, but I'm stricter than my husband. Baliktad. Baliktad.
What are your future parang advices to your daughter now that she's engaged? Kasi syempre she's going to a journey naman next naman na being a wife and a mom then in the future.
Ako, I'm confident since there are 3 of us lang. So she sees everything. She knows how things work in the house. I'm very confident. Maybe we will have a talk soon, but she sees how things go and she sees how things work between me and my husband. So I'm confident that she will take on that. Kasi I've seen it in her. Madalas mag-isa siya. Like now, she goes home to our house. We go home here because she works in Alabang. So it's too far if she joins us here. We live in Parañaque. So she's on her own. She stayed in Spain for a while. She studied there for 1 term. And then she also stayed alone in New York for 1 year for her master's. So she's independent. She's very independent, and I see myself also how I handle the household. I see it in her. So I believe in relationships. I think I see myself also, and parang she's tougher than me na. I'm pretty tough, but I think she's tougher than me.
By the way, yung sa